Yeah, difficult quali, but it wasn't my fault. It wasn't the car. The car was fantastic today. It was just an unfortunate error that we know why, and it's a shame. To qualify at 168 kilowatts is not ideal when everybody else got 200. It kind of handicaps you, but really strong race. Everybody did a great job in strategy, and the car was very nice to drive. We made some great moves, and we arrived P6, so not so bad. Yeah, I enjoyed the race. I think that the race was a great spectacle, and I think that hopefully the people of Montreal really enjoyed today, because I think that we gave them a really good show.